In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find yours and friends in Steam. Whether you're using the desktop app or a browser, the process is the same and only takes a moment. Start by looking to the top right of the Steam window for the notification bell. Click that notification icon. This opens a quick panel where Steam collects alerts about friend activity, gifts, comments, and seasonal features like Steam Replay. If a friend has shared their replay with you, this is often where Steam will surface it, so it's a great habit to begin here. Next, click View All. Instead of scanning one or two recent pings, the View All page shows the full list in one place, making it easier to spot anything you might have missed. Take a second to scroll. If a replay link or announcement was pushed to your account, it will be visible here. Now, look to the top right area again and click your account name. That opens your account menu from anywhere in Steam, so you don't have to backtrack or change pages. This is the quickest path to your personalized year in review. From that menu, click Steam Replay. Your replay page will load with a snapshot of your year on Steam. Total hours played, your top games and genres, achievement highlights, and other fun stats. It's a read-only summary, so feel free to explore without worrying about changing anything. If sharing is available for the current year, you'll see options to adjust visibility or copy a link. Keep in mind, visibility is up to each person. You can only view a friend's replay if they've chosen to share it, and when they do, it typically appears in your notifications or as a link they send. If you don't see Steam Replay in the menu, a few things can help. Make sure your Steam client is up to date, and remember that Replay is released annually, so it may not be live outside the release window. Very low playtime can also limit what appears, but the menu link will show up once your replay is generated. To recap, open your notifications, expand them with View All. Open your account menu by clicking your account name, and then select Steam Replay. That's all you need to find yours